Today, in just 2 minutes, we're going to break down GPT 4.5, the newest version of OpenAI's language model. Let's dive right in. First off, you might be wondering, what exactly is GPT 4.5? Well, it's an improved version of GPT 4. Think of it as a tune-up that makes the system faster, smarter, and more reliable. While GPT 4 was already impressive, GPT 4.5 takes it a step further in a few key areas. Let's go over them. Enhanced understanding. It can grasp more nuanced conversations, which means that it can give more accurate and relevant responses. Whether it's a casual chat or a deep technical discussion, it gets the vibe better than before. Faster performance. The biggest improvement you'll notice is speed. GPT 4.5 processes requests faster, which is great for both users and developers. So if you're interacting with it, you'll spend less time waiting. Broader knowledge. Even though it doesn't have real-time internet access, GPT 4.5 has been trained on a wider range of information. It can provide more up-to-date details on certain topics and answer even more questions accurately. Improved creativity. Creativity is where GPT 4.5 really shines. It's better at tasks like writing, brainstorming, and even making jokes. So, to sum it up, GPT 4.5 is faster, more precise, and even more creative than its predecessor. It's the go-to tool for anyone who needs a reliable AI assistant that can handle anything you throw at it. If you've enjoyed this quick breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates.